Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on XMO and want to move it over to your Coinbase wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as with any crypto transfer, always double check to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Coinbase wallet. If not, go ahead and create them, it's quick and secure. Start by logging into your XMO account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the Wallets or Balances section. Look for your XRP holdings there. Now, open a new tab or window and log into your Coinbase wallet app or website. Go to your XRP wallet address, it's that long string of characters you'll need. Copy it carefully to your clipboard. Back on XMO, select your XRP balance and click on the Withdraw or Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, so paste in that Coinbase wallet address. Double check it to ensure there are no typos. One wrong character could send your XRP into the void. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees. XRP on the XRP ledger is pretty cheap, but it's good to check current rates. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. After that, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly, usually within a few minutes, but it can depend on network congestion. Head over to your Coinbase wallet and refresh to see if your XRP has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your XRP from XMO to Coinbase wallet. This keeps your assets more diversified and secure. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support teams. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.